Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, where I do a lot of reviews and taste test things and basically just be a guinea pig so that you don't have to and you can save your money, because today I'm going to be reviewing this product. I used it yesterday and girl, it was a hot mess. So if you want to know about the Ghost Size and this muscle builder, aka creatine, then keep on watching for an unsponsored, honest review. Now, this is just a personal experience. I'm not gonna say that what I experience happens to everybody that uses this product, but I did pick this up from my vitamin shop online. I've been looking for creatine recently. You guys know I'm trying to get a butt, okay? So creatine is definitely a supplement that is used for building muscle and retaining that water in your muscle. Now, 95% of creatine is kept in our muscles. So if you work out, you know, after a workout, you have a pump, okay? That pump is like the best reward. And I wanted to have a pump in my glutes all the time. So I'm like, why not take creatine to really make my muscles look full and swole? You know, like, we're putting in all this work, like we want our muscles to look as good as possible, not just post-workout, you know? So that's when I decided that I wanted to start taking a creatine supplement. I know that Ghost is a very popular brand. A lot of people on my IG and YouTubers that I follow, specifically men, I don't know, like, I thought this brand was literally for dudes, and that's why I've never tried it out before today. I actually just finished recording a taste test on the Ghost vegan protein powder in the cereal chocolate cereal milk. So if you want to know about this and the taste and if I would recommend it, then definitely go watch that review. I'll pop it in the cards so you guys can check that out. So I was researching about this specific creatine because it doesn't say on the bottle creatine. It's not marketed towards that, just on the label it is size is what it's called, but it does say muscle builder. And natty is the flavor, which is just natural. There's no taste to this at all. So basically you can just drink this with water. It's a powder form. I mixed mine in with my pre-workout because I was taking it before the gym yesterday, and it would just be easier not to have so many liquids bouncing around during my session. So taste wise, it's great. You can put it in juice, whatever you want, and you're not going to taste the powder itself. It wasn't grainy or anything like that. Just tasted like my normal Alani Nu pre-workout. So I was super excited to taste it in the morning, you know, really excited to try it out for the first time. I'm doing my workout. I'm feeling really good. It actually really does do amazing things with recovery and your strength when it comes to, you know, lifting and being able to be your best when it comes to performance. So that was a pro for me when I was doing some research on creatine in general, and if I thought it would be something that I wanted to introduce into my own supplement routine. And no, this is not some crazy steroid, something crazy that people like to take to get big and get muscles. Creatine is naturally found in our body, but it can be hard to eat foods and get enough to supplement if you're trying to build your body. So that's why supplements are great when you're not able to naturally eat the amount that you need through your diet alone. So I don't know, like, as soon as I got home from my workout, you guys, like, I took my shower, I look in the mirror, hives. I have hives all over my body. I still have hives, and it's been more than 24 hours. I cannot show you because it is all over my chest. It goes all the way down. What the hell did this do to me? Y'all see this? Hives everywhere. Everywhere. Bro. Red hives. They're not itchy or anything. That was the only thing I've done differently, and they were not on my body yesterday morning when I was putting on cocoa butter, getting dressed and ready for the gym. So it has to be something that is in this creatine, and I have taken creatine and dabbled way back in the day, and I didn't experience anything like that. So I'm very interested to see what is it. I don't know, but it is vegan friendly, gluten free, soy free, sugar free. I'm not sure, you guys, but I wanted to know if anything similar has happened to anyone else, specifically with this product, or maybe with creatine in general. And yes, women can take creatine. This is marketed as a unisex product. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but I cannot have this anymore. Thank goodness I bought it from Vitamin Shop, and you can return things that are already opened. So this is what it looks like. I do like the look of the scooper, I have to say. It's nice that it's red and it doesn't just blend in like most clear scoopers do. So that's good, but am I gonna continue to take this? Absolutely not, because it's not worth me risking my life to have hives, to have a nice swole booty. Also, I did notice that I felt extremely bloated yesterday. Like my stomach was rock hard. I don't know if it's because it creatine retains water in your body, but through my research, it just showed that your stomach isn't necessarily one of those areas to retain it through creatine supplement. So I'm not really sure. I also didn't really notice a huge difference day one after taking this when it comes to the pump effect. Do I feel like my muscles look even more swole today than they did yesterday? Not really. They look the same to me. So I think I'm going to for sure take this back and maybe try a different brand and figure out why I have hives, because it's very odd. Very odd. This is why I'm a guinea pig, because I try things out so you guys don't have to risk your life like me. So thumbs up this video if you found it helpful. Is this gonna scare me away from trying another creatine product from a different brand? Probably not. Also, this one was a little bit more expensive than other creatines that I found on Vitamin Shop. So maybe I can save some coins in the process of getting a bigger swole looking booty. I don't know. But also this is just a month supply. So 30 servings for this tub, which kind of expensive for what I paid for it. So that's really just my initial thoughts on the Ghost size and my experience and why it just didn't work out so great for me. But if you guys do have any supplements, specifically creatine, from another brand that you do recommend, that you enjoy, that you've seen results with, please drop a comment down below and help me out, because I need to find one that works. I've heard that Women's Best has a creatine, and that might be something that I'll want to try. So I'm not sure. This also has beta alanine in it. So side note, it didn't make me feel itchy or anything like that. Oh, there's a lot more ingredients than what I listed. Sorry, when I was initially reading that, it says other ingredients on top of this whole list of ingredients. So there's definitely something in here that my body said skirt skirt, because we're not about to be having hives. I literally thought I got attacked in the shower when I came out. It was just a mess. But yeah, not my favorite. So actually, now that I'm talking about this, I literally just made this protein drink, about half of it. I'm hoping this doesn't have any of the same ingredients in it. I'm actually gonna compare the list because I can't be risking my life. I might have to take this back. I don't know. I mean, I already have hives, so there's no way to tell if this protein is gonna give me additional ones. But that's where supplements can be kind of tricky. And no, I don't think you need supplements in your routine to see results. You can definitely build a booty, get the booty gains, get a nice swole pump without having creatine. But it can definitely help you, again, like with the recovery process and your strength, and being able to have more like heavy lifts within a week than without it. So in that aspect, it's definitely beneficial. So that's about it. That's all for my review for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. A thumbs up, subscribe, and come back. I do a lot of fit content, fitspo workouts, reviews on everything from supplements to products to workout gear, workout programs, all that good stuff. So you want to see more of that? Come back to the channel. Bye!